Hello there, beautiful. Are you wondering where to find your next outfit of choice for that beautiful and amazing occasion? Stay tuned and watch. Hi, dear lovely ladies. Thank you so very much. We are always happy to have you with us as you come to find 100 plus dresses for purple themed parties for ladies. Within this video, you will find amazing pleated as well as flayed style party wear dresses. Very gorgeous and amazing color outfits. We're talking about the purple color dress outfit. Very gorgeous styles you can wear anywhere you are. And if you're of course a lover of the color purple, these are amazing outfits and styles you can definitely go for. Really amazing and beautiful styles for parties, birthdays, anniversaries, prom, whatever it is you or wherever it is you want to go to, you definitely find lots of amazing and beautiful dress styles and fashion as you watch on. We do really hope you watch the video through the end as you come to find very unique styles. Don't get me started on ideas for bridesmaids. Of course, you can find one or two selections or collections of outfits if you're a bride to be. Very lovely and amazing styles all through. Do well to subscribe and leave us a like. Don't forget to share your thought on the comment section. Always remember to come back for more. You take care and bye. for watching this video. Hope you check out the next as well as previous videos. We do really hope you come back for more right here on our channel. You take care and bye.